with Show Talent Hunt, and tonight we are super excited because it's Monday. To start your week, we are here to give you the right entertainment. Tonight our guest is Robo Ganesh, and he is a variety entertainer and a superb actor from South. To his credit, he has appeared in more than 40 TV shows. Yes, friends, that's true. And also, he has his name was included in India Book of World Records, and I do believe it was Tamil Nadu Book of Records and Best Actor Award, Josh Kannada film, and Guinness World Record as well. You know, he is currently acting in 3 languages. So rather than talking about him, I do believe why don't we meet him and say hi, and then we are starting the real talent hunt.
Hi, this is Robo Ganesh. I'm from South India. So I'm doing stage performance as well. So I done more than 3,000 shows and across world more than 40 countries. And I finished more than 30 channels reality shows also. So now I am doing South India movies as a villain and Kannada, Tamil, Telugu. So my name is entered in Guinness Book of Record holder and India Book of Record holder and Asia Book of Record holder, and so many couple of awards also I have. So this is me. So nice to meet you.
Hey, the first thing I want to showcase is I love one of your trick. Yes, I love one of your trick, and that trick is fantastic. When I first met you in Detroit, you have done this on stage, and that was like how to go on and off an escalator. It was amazing. Guys, please watch it first, and then we can talk to him more.
Hi, this is one small sofa, but I am using as a prop because I need this much height, one small screen, but lockdown I don't know how screen, but I'm using my sofa for a small funny act. Nothing, I'm here, but now I'll do a small magic, boom, yeah. So now I can create one small steps, I go down and come, okay? So see how I go down with the magic steps. Oh, my leg is so pain, but I have one more option. Yeah, I'll start my accelerator. So I'm going for accelerator. Oh, so hot. And here one switch is there. Okay. So here one switch is there. Okay. Oh, 2 switches. Wow. Oh, wow, fun.
So what are you doing in this time of lockdown? I know it's not like that bad right now maybe, but what is happening? Is there anything new you're trying out?
This lockdown period, so what can I do? So stay home, so complete rest and eat well and sleep well. Sometimes I need to maintain my physique, so I do some workout in my home only. I have a small gym because I couldn't go outside. So it's very tough time to cross this lockdown because I never work in one place. I'm always traveler. So but now no travel, no nothing, complete rest on home only. But I used kind of good thing for me when I think new talent, I mean new skills and how to act new character wise, how to act new variety of acting and something I'll practice now. Hopefully after this lockdown I can show my more talent to the world.
I want to show something to my viewers right now because I think that it will be fantastic if you watch him. You know the name, like you can see the name is like Robo Ganesh. So actually he dances like robots. Yes, who know him well, they know this clearly. So now I want to showcase this around or to you because a lot of us we don't know about him well. So let's see, and then I want to ask him his favorite memory.
Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da.
What? The party's over?
My best moment, actually, this industry I entered 2003 December 31st. But before 6 months, I'm really suffering a lot because nobody didn't recognize me, nobody didn't give the one single chance. So this time I need to thanks Mimicry Sendil and Arjun sir from Salem. So he giving one opportunity for my first show. So after that, my career like a boom. So I do a lot of shows in Tamil Nadu, but when I enter in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, so my lifestyle will be changed. So that after that only I buy a car and house and everything. So they like a pure talent without any language issues. My career it will be going it's a standard level after I enter Telugu and Kannada only. So even US also I'm coming. I came for so many times in Telugu people only, Telugu association only. 2004 I did one show in I think January or February that time in Ongole district. So that time, 2004, Tana president sir came to me and he liked my performance. He say you come to US, so many people like your performance. So after that, I entered to a USA. But then after every year, I came to US. I sincerely thanks Geeta Manna madam from New Jersey and Krishna from Florida and another Krishna from Dallas and Sudhagar from New Jersey and Sham from Texas, Kansas and Anil and Jagadish from New Jersey. So these people all are my brother and sister.
Robo, tell our viewers how important it is to keep your health straight, because whether you are a performer or maybe not, but how health is important, because I know that that's a very good hobby of yours to keep yourself fit.
I don't think this is depend on our fitness. So I can extend up to 20 years also. But minimum I can do next 10 to 15 years the same energy. And this is I learn myself. So I don't know any guidance. I don't know anyone support me. So for me it will take time. So 4 years I'm work out on my fitness and so many things, because I had a L5 disc slip and I met accident also. But still I'm fit for my confidence level and my workout level. So I hope I can extend another 10 to 15 years. But if anyone want to learn if I'm teaching, so 6 months if you dedicate, you can do that.
Hey, we want to hear about the story of your movie that you have done in Kannada. Yes, And that's the reason that we want to know, because like dancing and acting, and also you have won the Best Actor award for this, isn't it?
In my first movie in Kannada, Josh, I got a Best Actor award and Best Negative Role. 2010 I got that. And after that, Raghuvira and Luti, Pani Puri, Lee, and Varada, Rugged. So a couple of movies I acted in Kannada, and Telugu, Keratam, and Looney, and Tamil Yuvan. So all movies I'm acting a negative role.
Dance. What is you love about it, and what do you think about dance and your life together?
Actually, dance, it's like a emotional expression only, I feel. And whatever I do, I want to entertain people. I don't want to doing a perfect things, because perfect, I don't think nobody can do perfect. In hip hop, jazz, ballet, folk, and Bharatanatyam, so many is there. So what I do means, I don't know what I'm doing still now, but still I'm practicing something. I'll entertain people. So newcomers, what I tell means, don't go with perfections. Perfections, if you go with, means your limitation will be very small. So just open up your expressions, or your emotional, your expression, you show your dance, and creative new things. If you follow something, then you can limited edition. I mean, so if you expose yourself and create new thing, so you will be more opportunity and more you can do. And all newcomers are doing your best, and all the best for all newcomers.
Being the winner of so many awards, but still we do need help in every way. I do believe that you cannot say that I can do it alone. So when you go out and ask for help, how it is, like people are listening to you, they are really trying to help you out?
Whenever I ask help, they immediately do and support me, and their love and support only I am happily surveying. And so many Kannada people are there, and so many Telugu people, they're giving a lot of love. So andarku namaskar andi. So that's why I'm staying in Bangalore in Karnataka. And when I was searching for my marriage, so I'm searching so many places, but my friend Harish from New Jersey, he only talk why you didn't marry. You marry very soon, it's your age is going on. Then I say, if you find any nice girl, you tell me. Then he say, okay, no problem, my sister daughter also is there, you can marry like that. So just like that my marriage happened. So I married a Telugu girl only. So really I'm very happy. నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే సో ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ తమిళనాడు, but Tamil Nadu, nobody didn't recognize my value. Even movie also, I'm still struggle in Tamil movies, and shows also, so many things are going on. But frequently I get shows in Telugu and Kannada, so that's why I love these kind of people more than my mother tongue. So I like wherever love is there, I flow it. నాకు తెలుగు అంత బాగా రాలేదు, ఇప్పుడే కొంచెం నేర్చుకున్నాను. తొందరగా నేర్చుకుని నీ దగ్గర నా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతాను. ఓకేనా?
I forgot the question that I always ask before, actually at the start, but right now I'm asking this to you, that how was your childhood, and have you ever thought that you will be a dancer or an actor when you were a child?
Actually, my childhood, I want to become an actor. So when I was in maybe 8th standard, That time Terminator Judgment Day Part 2. So that movie, it was inspired for me, and that movie villain, it's a Mercury Man. So at that time only, so I watched more than 10 times. That time no TV and all, and VCR, some kind of then some deck VCR. So that I hired from outside. So I watched that movie. That movie, it's make me like mad. So from that day I decided I want to become an actor. So I don't want to study and I don't want to go any job and all. So from that I'm trying my best, but I don't know opportunity, but I don't have knowledge also how to approach movie industry and all. So when I grown up, then I ignore so many TV channels and so many movie companies. So then I thought I want to my own identify, my own visiting card. So that time I planned something different from others. So I don't want to learn from anyone because I don't have money to go class joining and learn from some others. So I watch a lot of cartoon and YouTube channels. So then I got some idea. I want to impress kids. So then if I impress kids, then the whole family, they support their kids and I can reach every family easily. So that time, it's a cricket and dander one cartoon, it's very famous. So I collaboration with the both. So I play like how the cartoon style do bowling and other stuff. So people say this is good. So that I got a spark. Okay, this is something is there. So then I practice myself robotic and Jim Carrey and all. I watch the Mask movie. So then I create myself and different variety. So what all I see from others and other places, I'm not directly copy. Robo is my own thought, and other creativities I get some inspire to someone else, but I'm not copying directly. I put my creation things and I'll do my best that people are enjoying.
We all have a certain time and date in our life when we start something new, something positive, something vibrant, something beautiful, and that we call our career. We sometimes choose something that we think that we will be good at, or maybe sometime we choose our hobbies and we make it our profession. So how about you? What you thought about your career and how you started it?
So I started my career 2003 December 31st. So nobody didn't give chance before. I'm trying so many places, but that time they tell Robo. What is Robo? Robo is, I'm not sure Robo is people like that. So many people ignore me, but one guy, his name Mimicry Sendil. So he is my one of good friend. So he is kind of my well-wisher also. He only suggested Arjunan from Namakkal. So Namakkal Nala Hotel. So there 2003 December 31st I'm going to do my first show. So I'm very scary, but it will be very good moment. So after that I'm happy. After that my journey like boom. So I'll go so many places and all, and moreover I like to thank you because I'm from Tamil Nadu, but I'm earning more and more. I get more name in Telugu people only. So Andarku Namaskara. So Telugu people only, it's encouraged me like anything. So they like pure talent, and even as well Kannada people also. So that's why I'm staying in Karnataka, Bangalore city. So I married Telugu girl. So my best moment, so many is there, but I need to thank this time Geeta Mannam from New Jersey and Krishna sir, Florida, and one more Krishna sir in Dallas, and Jagadish sir from New Jersey, Edison, and Anil sir, and Shyam sir from Kansas, Texas, and I need so many people help me lot. They giving more love and support. My journey it's going very happily because of Telugu people. So I hope I am acting more movie in Telugu, and your blessing and your support is there. And US and all I saw through Telugu association only. So Tana, so my 2004 I think. So I was performing in Ongal, one small village. So I performed. One gentleman came and you like to come USA, so I like your performance. We have Tana. I am the Tana president, so I want to do your show in our Telugu association. So I'm really happy. So that is my best moment, because nowadays the pure talent encouraging people very.
Guys, when we are with Robo, it's very hard to look at anything at all, because when he's on stage, trust me, you have to see his live performance, because he is amazing. When I first saw him in 2016 at Detroit, I was like I was overwhelmed with his performance. I just went backstage. I do believe you remember that, Robo. I just went on backstage and I felt that, oh my God, such a performer. The whole stage he was alone, and he was just with a door that was tied up on his wrist. And it was amazing. The whole performance was amazing. And I want to show a very small clip. And I want to thank to the channel that telecasted this, and Shilpa Shetty is also there. And I really want to showcase that very small tiny piece. Please stay with me. Friends, we have to say goodbye to you. But Robo, I have something else that I want to ask you. You are always very sweet. You are really a sweetheart. And I want to tell you, do you remember that when we first met, the next day on the table, on the breakfast table, you made a fantastic paper rose. Can you make that for my viewers tonight?
ಹಾಯ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೋಬೋ ಗಣೇಶ್. ಈ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕು. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಕ್ರಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕ್ರಶ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಹಂಗೆ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹಂಗೆ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೀವ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಈ ಥರ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟವರಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡಿ.
Friends, thank you so much for being here with us. And again, next Monday, I'm seeing you, and I'll be here with somebody new, somebody fresh, or maybe somebody you know already. We want you to be with us. We want you to share the stage with us around the globe, and that's why we're doing this a very, very special lockdown special just for you guys, Rock and Bowl. And that is the reason I want you to be a part of Talent Hunt. All you have to do is record yourself 90 seconds and send it to ragini@manatv.net. That is me, of course, and manatv.net. And who knows, maybe you will be the next person sitting with me. I want to really say this to all my viewers around the globe. Please be with us, please stay with us. And if you know somebody who is really passionate and dedicated towards what they do in art, please let us know. It's raagini@manatv.net. We would love to be in touch with you, we'd love to hear from you, but till next Monday, I want you to be safe and with a fantastic health. Good night, and see you all next Monday with your favorite show, Talent Hunt, and only with me, Ragini. Good night.